Ever feel like your aquarium is going great, until suddenly, disaster strikes? I've been there. Today, I'm sharing the biggest aquarium mistakes that cost me hundreds of dollars, and how you can avoid them. Stick around, these tips can save you money, your fish, and a lot of frustration. If you appreciate honest aquarium advice, hit like and subscribe to join our community of smart fish keepers. My first costly mistake: skipping the nitrogen cycle. I set up my tank, added fish right away, and thought I was set. Big mistake. Ammonia spiked, fish got sick, and I lost several. Emergency water changes became my life. The fix: let your tank cycle for 4 to 6 weeks and test water regularly. Patience here saves lives. And money. Next, I tried saving money with bargain equipment. My cheap filter and heater both failed within months. One overheated the tank, the other stopped working. I learned that cheap gear usually costs you more in the end. The fix? Invest in reliable equipment from the start. Read reviews and buy quality once, not twice. Overfeeding was another expensive lesson. Too much food led to dirty water, algae, and stressed fish. I battled constant cloudiness and replaced filter media way too often. The fix: feed only what your fish can eat in 2 minutes. Remove leftovers and skip a feeding day each week. I used to only check water when things looked wrong. By then it was too late. My fish paid the price. The fix? Test water weekly and keep a simple log. Stable water chemistry is the secret to long-term success. Adding just one more fish led to aggression, stress, and disease. Suddenly I was buying medicine and replacement fish. The fix? Research every fish's adult size and compatibility. Less is often more for a peaceful tank. I once skipped quarantine and introduced parasites. Treating the whole tank cost more than the fish. The fix? Always quarantine new arrivals for at least 2 weeks. It's a small effort that prevents big disasters. I used to think water changes were optional, until algae and sick fish proved me wrong. The fix? Make partial water changes a routine. It's cheaper than fixing neglect later. Every mistake was a lesson. I hope these save you from learning the hard way. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and join our community. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.